we're doing teen pregnancy, and I'm Brittney.
I'm Brandon. I'm Wyatt. And for our opening, we have, you know that teen pregnancy is associated with the lack of education due to dropping out, lack of job opportunities due to the lack of education, poverty, depression, broken homes dominated by single mothers, and increased unemployment due to high daycare costs. And it is estimated to cost the United States taxpayers between $9.4 and $28 billion every year because of it. Then our specific problem statement is that there's a lack of effective interventions for teenagers to better understand the short and long-term consequences of teen pregnancy, resulting in an alarming number of teen pregnancies.
Okay, opportunity gap. Intervention is intended to reduce teen pregnancy. Single interventions are ineffective. There are too many factors and no single solution. Combined interventions play a key role. They play a key role in reducing teen pregnancies. Comprehensive sex ed, target messages at teen boys, not just girls. Get the whole community involved, and encouraging mentoring. There's a lot of current approaches right now, but these are just specific ones. Sex education in school, however, students don't take it seriously usually. Abstinence information. 37 states legally require teachers to provide information on abstinence, with 25 of them requiring it to be stressed. However, sex ed programs in the United States have found that a higher emphasis on abstinence is correlated with higher rates of teen births. Prevention programs such as Youth First, which is in Evansville, it's a mentoring program like after school. And then they have advertisements, which I think this one's from 2015, and it's called You're Too Young to Be a Grandparent, and it shows younger people in situations that normally elderly people will be in, and it encourages them to talk to their children before it's too late, like safe sex before it's too late.
Okay, so showing our scalability, here is our market scale analysis, where for just Vandenberg here, and we're focusing on the age range of females 15 to 19, the number of births is 153, which is the equivalent of the teen birth rate of a 33. Whereas in Indiana, there has been 5,094 teen births for the year, which is a teen birth rate of 22.8. So you can tell Vandenberg's were higher than most of Indiana, actually. And for the United States, there have been 194,377 teen births with a teen birth rate of 18.8, which is the national average. So as you can tell, we are way above average. And on here, this just shows where the red, which you can tell the South, is most of where they have the highest teen birth rates, which the first one is actually Arkansas, and fifth on the list is Kentucky, so right close to us. And then we have a map here that is for Indiana, which the darker blue is a higher teen birth rate, whereas Vandenberg, which is right here, is actually not that dark blue. So for it to be at a 33, which is quite a bit higher than the national average, you can tell we have a problem throughout Indiana because of the amount of dark blues that there is in all the different counties as well. So that shows how we can expand it out. And there are our resources. All right, that's all.
All right.